Do you say scones or scones? Hello, I'm Susie. Today we're going to be making eggless scones and we've got 5 ingredients, 5 tips, super easy. So let's find my little helpers and let's get on with it. At the end of the video is a recipe card, so no need to write it all down. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hello there, today we're making easy eggless English scones. So easy, you only need 5 ingredients. And I've also got 5 easy tips for you to help you get them light and fluffy. You'll need 250 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and 60 grams of salted butter. And you'll also need 150 ml of milk. And then to serve, you've got some lovely fresh strawberries, and we've got some butter that's spreadable, some strawberry jam, we're using some squirty cream for the boys and also some clotted cream for the grown-ups. Just look at this delicious clotted cream. Yum. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Anyone want to make scones?
Oh yes, please!
Tip number 1, wash your hands with warm water and soap and then rinse them in cold water. You need the dough to stay cold and warm hands makes warm dough.
Hello! Hello, welcome to Egg-Free Kitchen class. My name is called Alex. I'm Josh. I'm Alfie. Today we're going to be cooking eggless English scones. A lot of these.
Okay, Alfie, do you want to put the flour in the bowl?
So. Now shaky, shaky, man.
Oh, Josh, put the baking powder in. That's it, try and keep it in the bowl.
Let go, let go.
Okay, Josh, can you put the sugar in? Don't eat it.
Alright.
Boys.
Sugar!
Okay, Alex, can you give it a mix?
Butter.
Right, now we need to put the butter in. And who wants to get their hands messy?
Me. Me, please, please.
Tip number 2, you need really cold butter. We've taken ours out the fridge at the last minute and cubed it. You can even freeze it and grate it. And now you need to use just your fingertips, because that's the coldest part of your hand.
This bit.
Make it all into like breadcrumbs. What does it feel like?
It feels really good and soft and fluffy. Can I feel?
No, because you've been licking your fingers, Josh. And wash your hands and then you can do it.
I'll use my fingertips. Don't worry.
Are they dry? Are they dry?
Oh no! Then Josh, you do this, okay? Do what? Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it feels really cold. But you have to squeeze it in the bowl. So Alex, no. It's raining flour. It's raining flour sugars.
Okay, keep it in the bowl, boys. Your fingertips are the coldest part of your hands, so rub the mixture together with your fingertips to make a breadcrumb consistency. Now add the milk and mix together to form a dough. Tip number 3, don't overwork the dough. This will mean the scones will be tough and heavy, not light and flaky. The key is using a light hand. You might need to use your hands.
It feels like orange. That's what I'm. Does it actually feel like it? Smells quite nice. Nice smell. Can we? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, most of it is just stuck.
Okay, at this point the dough's getting a bit overworked, so I've stepped in and helped them bring the dough together. Josh, you're going to roll the dough until it's about 2 centimetres thick.
Okay.
Alex, can you sprinkle some flour?
Josh, you've got to roll it and roll it and roll it. So I'm doing it. Roll it. Well done, Josh. Well done. Your is great and sticky and witty.
That's perfect. That's just enough.
Actually, it's just a circle. It looks like the moon.
Alex,
Let me hold
put the flour so that it dusts the cutter and it stops it from sticking.
In the middle.
In the middle, yeah. Tip number 4, dust your cutter so that the dough doesn't stick. That's perfect. Well done, boys. And tip number 5, don't twist the cutter, just push down as it can stop the scones from rising and spoil the pattern around the edge. That's perfect. Don't twist it, that's it.
Josh, that looks
Can you do another one?
No, Josh, here.
That's it. You're pushing it right down. Do you think you'll be able to get one more? Oh, excellent. And now,
Mommy,
remove that.
Mommy, you'll break it. Let me help you, Mommy. Help me.
See it? And you can gently.
Can we eat these bits? Or are they raw?
They're raw. They're raw. Now pop your scones on a non-stick baking tray or line it with baking paper. Brush the scones with some milk to give them a golden brown colour and a bit of crunch. And once you've done that, these will cook in the centre of a preheated fan oven at 190 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And look at that! The cracked bit shows where it's risen. It's all ready to fill with jam, cream, butter, whatever you like. Okay everybody, the scones are cooked and they're cooled down and they're ready to top. So what you're going to put on yours, there's jam, there's butter, there's strawberries, there's clotted cream, there's squirty cream.
Jam.
You want to do jam? What are you putting on yours, Josh?
Jam.
Jam.
I want jam, but Georgie's not letting me.
Well, just wait your turn.
Okay.
What are you going to put on yours, Alfie?
How do we get it off?
Whoa! A tower of squirty cream.
Ready, Mummy? I finished mine. Mummy, I want a swirl of cream at the top. Squirty. Oh, first I have to take this off. And then I'll put the strawberry on.
And there we have it. Deliciously English, easy eggless scones. Afternoon tea, anyone? Why don't you and your family make these this weekend? You could even do afternoon tea. Don't forget to subscribe, and as promised, here's the recipe card